Hello, you are welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to make this lovely pleated skirt, high waist pleated skirt. So let's get started. These are the requirements you'll be needing for this tutorial. I'm using a crepe, a soft crepe. So the fabric is on two folds, as you can see. So the fabric here on two fold is 20 inches. On two fold it is 20 inches, while the length of the skirt is 40.5 inches. That is together with the hem allowance. So I'll be keeping this aside. And here is I have the band, the fabric for the skirt band here. The width for the band, this thing, the skirt band is 6 inches. I forgot to illustrate it in the video. While the the width of the band is 14 inches. So I'm adding 1.5 inches for zipper allowance. And then I added half inches, which is 0.5 as the same allowance. So before we continue, we have an upcoming class. It's a paid class, so do ensure to purchase our classes. The class are it's more detailed. The tutorials, the videos are more detailed than the ones we upload on our YouTube channel. So do not feel discouraged if you can't afford it, even though it's affordable. And if you actually have this, if you find any difficulty in making your payments, you can reach out to me. This is my number is on the flyers. So let's get back into the video. So I added 0.5 inches for the same allowance. So I'll just cut it out, and that is all for the cutting. So this is what the band looks like when you fold it. And that is all for the cutting of this skirt. It's very simple to cut. It's the sewing that actually needs attention. To sew the skirt, the first thing we need to do is to notch the center of the band as well as the center of the body of the skirt, which will be pleating on the band. So I actually place the band, the right side of the band, I place it over the right side of the body of the skirt, right side facing each other, and I pleated the body of the skirt on the band as seen. So to have a very neat work, do ensure to make your pleats equal. And then the pleats shouldn't be too big to have a very neat work. If you are new here, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel and do check back every week for new tutorials. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. I really appreciate you all, and I appreciate your support. Do share my videos with your loved ones and do tell your co-designers about our channel. And do ensure to purchase our tutorials, our classes, our paid classes. They are very affordable and it's more detailed than the tutorials we upload on our channel. Also, if you'd like me to make illustrations for you, you can send the pictures or style to me via my WhatsApp number, which is on the paid class tutorial this flyer. So this is what you have after making your pleats. You can see it's very neat. The next thing we need to do now is to cover the seam we just made in order to fix the pleats. So on the other side of the band here, I folded just few inches, as you can see, which I'll be placing it over the body of the skirt, and I'll be using it to cover the seam we made initially, as seen in the video. This is just one of the tips to having a very neat work and a good finishing. Do ensure to like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and do leave a comment. So you have to be very careful when you are making this. And this is what you have after running the seam. This is what you have on the right side, and this is what the wrong side of the skirt looks like. It's all looking good and well, very presentable. So now I'll be joining the center back of the skirt all the way down. So after doing that, the next thing you need to do is to hem the down part of the skirt and fix your zipper. It's very easy to sew. Do ensure to subscribe to my channel and do share my videos with your loved ones. So this is what you have after doing that. I ripped off the seam like 12 inches from the top of the skirt, that is the waist part, down, in order to fix my zipper. So in this tutorial, I actually illustrated how to fix a zipper properly, but I feel it's not well detailed enough. So I'll try my best to make a tutorial on how to fix your zipper neatly. How to fix your zipper neatly, because it's very important. So you need to first sew one side of the zipper to the skirt, as seen in the video. You can fix any zipper of your choice, either an invisible zipper or the one that is not invisible. But here I'm not using an invisible zipper. So this is what you have after sewing one side of the zipper to the skirt. And now I'll be fixing the other side as well. I hope you love this video and you give it a thumbs up. If you would like us to make any illustration for you, or maybe there's a tutorial you like us to bring for you, to do for you, do ensure to state in the comment section, or you can send it to my number on WhatsApp. So this is what you have after fixing the zipper. You can see it is very neat. It is very neat. And that is all for the zipper. All you need to do now is to cut out the excess. So I'll be stitching these parts down to the skirt, and you would see how I actually folded them in. So this is how you fold out the little excess that is remaining. I just make a stitch here. This is what you have after doing that. So I'll be repeating the same thing for the other side as well. So that is all, and we are good to go. So this is what your zipper looks like. You can see it's very neat and it's lovely. So I'll try my best to make a tutorial on how to fix your zipper neatly. And we have come to the end of the tutorial, but I would like to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel and to share my videos with your loved ones, and also to purchase a paid class. If you have any difficulty in making your payments, you can send a message to me on WhatsApp via the number displayed on your screen. And if you see this tutorial, this notification for the class, even after 1st of April, you can still purchase the class. It is holding on Telegram. So as long as you make your payment, you will have access to the class at any time. At any time, as long as it's after 1st of April. So do have a wonderful day. See you in my next video.